Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Ram 1500 accessories is probably one of the most exciting ways to personalize your truck, transforming it from a standard workhorse into a reflection of your unique style and needs, whether you're looking to enhance its rugged off-road capabilities, boost its interior comfort for long hauls, or simply add practical features that make daily driving more convenient and enjoyable, all while ensuring your investment truly elevates your driving experience. Number 5. EcoNour 2-in-1 Car Steering Wheel Desk and Tray. This versatile tray transforms your car into a convenient space. It's perfect for eating, working, or reading, making it an essential accessory for your busy lifestyle. Its innovative design offers two distinct sides. One side provides a deep cup holder and a flat surface for meals, while the other is a smooth desk with a built-in pen holder, ideal for your laptop. Designed for commuters and travelers, it effortlessly transforms your vehicle. This accessory acts as a reliable eating tray or a productivity tool, turning your car into a mobile workspace or dining area. Crafted from durable ABS material, it securely attaches to your steering wheel. This ensures a stable surface for both work and meals, providing peace of mind on the go. With its slim profile, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. You can conveniently store it under your seat, ensuring it's always ready for use whenever you need it. What we like. This versatile car desk transforms your vehicle into a mobile office or dining area. If you're a busy commuter or traveler who needs to maximize productivity or enjoy meals on the go, this accessory is perfect for you. It offers convenience and functionality right at your fingertips. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 4. Black Waterproof Collapsible Car Trunk Hanging Organizer. Crafted from premium 600D PVC fabric, this organizer is built to last, stable, and completely waterproof. Its unique hanging design features multiple pockets and a bottle holder, ensuring your items are secure and easily accessible. Tired of a cluttered car? This foldable organizer helps you reclaim your trunk floor. It provides ample space for tools, toys, and essentials, transforming your car into a tidy, organized haven. Measuring 38 inches in length and 13 inches in height, it's designed to fit 90% of car types, including SUVs, trucks, and vans. You can be confident it will integrate seamlessly into your vehicle. Installation is a breeze, simply clip its adjustable straps around your headrests in seconds. Plus, keeping it clean is just as easy, a quick wipe with a wet cloth is all it takes. This is truly a must-have accessory for any car owner looking for organization and convenience. Experience the difference it makes in keeping your vehicle neat and your belongings accessible. What we like. This trunk organizer is a game-changer for keeping your car tidy and expanding storage. If you're tired of a messy trunk and want an efficient way to organize tools, groceries, or travel essentials, this durable and waterproof solution is ideal. It helps free up floor space and keeps everything within easy reach. What people say. Number 3. RealTruck UnderCover SwingCase SC300P Truck Bed Storage. Introducing the RealTruck UnderCover SwingCase SC300P, the ultimate truck bed storage solution. It's designed to fit various Dodge Ram models from 2002 to 2023, specifically for the passenger side without Ram box. This innovative storage box maintains a 3-inch clearance, ensuring compatibility with virtually all tonneau covers. Whether you have a soft, hard, folding, or rolling cover, it integrates seamlessly. Experience unparalleled access to your gear. This toolbox swings out nearly 180 degrees towards you, making it incredibly easy to reach items from your tailgate. When not in use, it swings back and locks securely over the wheel well, maximizing your bed space. Keep your valuables safe and dry with its robust design. It features a key-lockable lid and can hold up to 75 pounds of cargo. An organizational tray and moisture seal further protect contents from the elements. Installation is a breeze, requiring no special tools. This product is proudly made in the USA with global materials and backed by a 1-year guarantee and dedicated US-based customer support, ensuring peace of mind. What we like. This innovative storage box offers unparalleled accessibility to your truck bed items. If you need secure, weather-protected storage that's easy to reach without climbing into the bed, and works seamlessly with your tonneau cover, this is an excellent choice. Its swing-out design makes accessing tools or gear incredibly convenient. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Nilight Car Retainer Clips and Fastener Remover Kit. This comprehensive kit provides 120 pieces of essential car retainer clips. It includes various sizes and types to meet diverse automotive fastening needs. Crafted from high-quality black nylon, these clips are built to last. They resist wear and corrosion, ensuring they won't easily break or crack during use. A durable fastener remover is included to make your work easier. Made from chrome-plated carbon steel with an ergonomic handle, it allows for safe and efficient removal of clips. These push clips are incredibly versatile, perfect for trim panels, bumpers, and engine covers. They also find applications in domestic appliances, furniture, and electrical equipment. Designed for broad compatibility, this kit fits most popular makes and models, including GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda, and Chrysler. It's a reliable replacement solution for many vehicles. All 120 pieces are conveniently packed in a sturdy plastic container. This ensures easy organization and storage, keeping your workspace tidy. For your peace of mind, this product comes with a 2-year warranty. It ensures quality and reliability for all your fastening tasks. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a wide assortment of essential clips for various car repairs. If you frequently work on your vehicle's interior or exterior and need reliable replacement fasteners for trim panels, bumpers, or fenders, this high-quality nylon set with a bonus remover tool is invaluable. It ensures you always have the right clip on hand. What people say. No suitable reviews found as the source JSON is empty. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate Punch P1000X2 Amplifier. Introducing the Rockford Fosgate Punch P1000X2, a 2-channel stereo amplifier designed to deliver serious audio. This compact unit packs a rocking 1000 watts of RMS power, ensuring your sound system performs at its peak. Its versatile design makes it perfect for various setups, whether you're running full range or component systems. You can even bridge it to power multiple subwoofers, giving you flexible control over your sound. This amplifier offers dynamic power output options. It delivers 300 watts per channel at 4 ohm, 500 watts per channel at 2 ohm, or a massive 1000 watts when bridged at 4 ohm. Connecting your audio source is effortless. Its RCA inputs can handle both high and low-level audio signals, eliminating the need for an extra signal converter. Experience precision sound control with its Class AB topology and onboard punch EQ, offering an 18 dB boost at 45 Hz. It also includes variable 12 dB October Butterworth crossovers and CLAN setup for optimal performance. Trust in the famous Rockford Fosgate build quality. This amplifier is engineered for durability and comes with a full 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind with your investment. What we like. This powerful amplifier delivers exceptional audio performance for your car's sound system. If you're an audiophile looking to significantly upgrade your vehicle's sound quality with a versatile and robust amplifier capable of driving both full-range speakers or subwoofers, this unit provides clean, powerful output. It's built for serious sound enthusiasts. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.